Okay, let's take a look at problem 1 for tangents. It says finding tangents geometrically. It says what is the value of each expression? Do not use a calculator. Okay, so when I was growing up, when I was in high school, we had to memorize this thing called the unit circle. So here's a picture of it, and all I did was Google unit circle, and it came up. So I put it in my search engine for Google, came right up. So here it is right here, unit circle, and there it is. And when I was young, like I said, I had to memorize this. Well, lucky for you guys, you don't have to memorize it. All you have to do is pull one up and you can use it. And so, with that being said, for A, it says the tangent of pi. And so if you remember, pi is just my y value over my x value. So I'm going to look at my point pi, in case you don't know it. And so here I have pi, and pi is at -1, 0. This is the same thing they got here, -1, 0. We didn't even need the unit circle, but just in case. And then I just do 0 over -1, which is 0. So tan pi is 0. Tan of -5 pi over 6. Now, if you know, the unit circle doesn't have negative, but we know that we're just going to flip over to the, oops. Sorry. Just going to flip over to here. So it's really the value of 7 pi over 6. So these two values are equal. And if you don't believe me, there is actually, I Googled negative unit circle just in case. And you can do the same. And so 7 pi over 6 is equal to -5 pi over 6, just like I said. So that value, negative square root 3 over 2 and -1 over 2. So I put those values in, -1/2 divided by the square root of 3 over -2, and I get my 2's cancel out, I'm left with, and my negative cancel out, I'm left with 1 over square root 3. I can't have a square root in the bottom. That's the rule, so I will multiply top and bottom by square root 3, and I get square root 3 over 3. So tangent of -5 pi over 6 is square root 3. All right, let's do it on our own. It says, what is the value of each expression? Do not use a calculator. No, we won't. We will use our pi. And so tan of pi over 2. Let's look at it. Pi over 2 is right here, and I have 0, 1. So let's say tan of pi over 2. You know the point is at 0, 1. So that's going to give me 1 over 0. And so that is undefined. Right? Can't divide by 0. So 1 divided by 0 is undivided. Right? That's what our calculator says. Alright. So let's go on to tan 2 pi over 3. Let me write it down first. So tan 2 pi over 3. Let's find out those coordinate points. Pull up my unit circle. 2 pi over 3 is over here. So I get -1/2 square root of 3 over 2. So that point is -1/2 square root 3 over 2. And so I get square root 3 over 2 divided by -1 over 2, which is the same as square root 3 over 2 times 2 over 1, negative, cancels out, I'm left with negative square root of 3. So tangent of 2 pi over 3 is negative square root 3. And the last one, I'm going to have to erase some of this. Alright, the last one is tan of negative pi over 4. And so we have pi over 4 here, And so I'm just going to flip over. So it's here, square root 2 over 2 and negative square root 2 over 2. That's an easy one, right? I forgot what it said. Sorry about that. Negative pi over 4. And so, going back to my unit circle, so I have negative square root 2 over 2 divided by square root 2 over 2, which is just negative 1. So I hope that this helps.